Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Implementing Minimum Function in Python. Introduction. In Python, the min function is a built-in function that allows you to find the minimum value among a sequence of numbers or iterable objects. This tutorial will guide you through the usage of the min function and provide examples to help you understand how to leverage it in your Python programs. Syntax. The basic syntax of the min function is as follows. Parameters. Now, let's explore the usage of the min function with examples. Example 1, finding the minimum in a list. Output. Example 2, finding the minimum in multiple lists. Output. Example 3, using the key parameter. Output. Example 4, handling empty iterables with the default parameter. Output. Conclusion. The min function in Python is a powerful tool for finding the minimum value in a sequence or multiple sequences. Whether you are working with numbers, strings, or custom objects, understanding how to use the min function will enhance your ability to write efficient and concise Python code. ChatGPT.